When business owners are trying to do their own bookkeeping on whatever platform they're using, they forget there's a very important step: reconciliation. Reconciliation means reconciling exactly to the source document, meaning matching transactions to your bank and credit card statement. So you can't just rely on the bank feed. The bank feed is when you connect your bank to the accounting platform and the transactions are being fed into the accounting platform, so you can just record your transactions accordingly. But that's not always accurate. Whenever you rely on technology, things happen, mistakes happen. You actually have to make sure that all the transactions that you're recording is not duplicated and it's not missing. So that's why reconciliation is actually one of the most important steps when you're doing your own bookkeeping.